Americans face a variety of health problems every day. A healthier way of living is within your reach. Let Step by Step to Health and Wellness be your bridge to living a happier and healthier life. To help you on this journey, we have our host, Cassidy Lindsay, Dr. Hillian Chung, acupuncturist and internal medicine specialist, Maxine Fonchez, author of Do You Know Me? Do You Know the Alzheimer's Disease? Step by Step to Health and Wellness combines the holistic and Western approach to your overall health and well-being for your body, mind, and spirit.
Hello and welcome to a whole new season of Step by Step Health and Wellness. I am your host, Chastity Lindsay. So first, let me start off by saying thank you for your continued support. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your calls. They really mean a lot to us. Now, we're only a few months into the new year, but we've already had several school shootings, one massive, a marathon bombing, and many other tragedies. How many people out there have already broken their New Year's resolutions? Each year, people make resolutions like, I'm gonna quit cussing. And then you quit up until somebody cuts you off in traffic, or the one I like is, I'm gonna start back working out. And you do for about 3 months. Now see, I like to call you guys the resolution crowd. In by January, out by March. And usually by March the 15th, I can get the good treadmill that I want. You know what I'm talking about, the one over there by the TV. Now, many times people set resolutions and then within a couple of months, they break them. This is not a lifestyle change. Now, the lifestyle change that I'm talking about, because I'm a firm believer that long-term change, real lasting change, usually happens over time and is done in baby steps. So over the next few shows, we're gonna help you to make some of those lifestyle changes. And today, we're gonna start by changing your cosmetics and personal care products. Now, you're gonna learn about some of the products and some of the toxins that are lurking around in common everyday products that you use. And by the way, those same products are making and keeping you sick. And then Dr. Evans is gonna talk to us about vitamin D. She's gonna tell us where to get it, how do we get it, how do we know if we're deficient in it, everything you wanna know about vitamin D, she's gonna give it to us. Now, if you want to learn about vitamin D and you want to find out which products that you're using on a daily basis that are making and keeping you sick, when I return, then I'm going to give it all to you. I'm going to give you all the shocking information about what you have in your bathroom. So go get your toothpaste, your deodorant, your lotions, and when we come back, we're going to start to read some labels. Step by Step, we'll be right back after the break.
Half the population probably are, certainly in industrialized nations, have insufficient vitamin D on board. Part of it's because of our industrialization, our using light coming from incandescent or fluorescent bulbs instead of sunlight.
Vitamin D is unique among vitamins. A vitamin is supposed to be something that our body needs, but it can't make. And that's not true of vitamin D. Vitamin D is a vitamin that we can make. We just have to be out in the sun to make it. Our skin will manufacture vitamin D, but only when we're outdoors and in the sun.
More and more doctors are testing for vitamin D, which is a fat-soluble hormone essential for muscle, nerve, and immune system function. Vitamin D also plays a critical role in bone health by regulating the absorption of calcium. Many scientists and doctors believe it may also have benefits towards the prevention of cancer and cardiovascular disease. The most commonly used normal range for vitamin D is 30 to 100 nanograms per milliliter. Knowing your vitamin D level can help your doctor determine if you may benefit from supplements that will keep your health on track. Not all vitamin D testing is the same, so ask your doctor about Quest Diagnostics vitamin D testing for vitamin D2 and D3.